Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni and today I'm going to continue with a Halloween challenge in this journal that starts to look like a hair journal. This is rainbow hair, Dolly Parton's big wig, curly hair like Shirley Temple, Harajuku style or something like that, flowing hair, hair inspired by Pink's undercut, kiss curl and hippie hair, and hair inspired by Tiger King's mega mullet. Today's prompt is Bewitching Sabrina, so I looked at various Google photos to get inspiration, and I ended up sketching this for about half an hour, and then the painting of this took me about 1 hour. As you could see in the beginning of the video, I'm going to use watercolors and gouache, soft pastels, colored pencils, some paint pens and a fountain pen that has a very thin fine nib filled with carbon ink, that is water resistant ink that makes it perfect for this kind of projects because you get thin lines and it doesn't react when you continue over it with water. I really don't believe that you need to have the same art supplies or even the same colors to come and play along. You only need to be in a playful, creative mood. So hope you enjoy my process and grab your own paints, whatever they may be, and come and create your own Sabrina. And this is it. Hope you came along and played with me and hope you had fun. Maybe even learned something. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below, and I'm going to try to answer them as best as I can. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos, because by doing all that, you are helping me to draw more attention to my channel and reaching more people. Thank you for being here. See you soon. Love and kisses.